Good morning, children. Today's our poem is Boats Sail on the Rivers, written by the Christina Rossetti. Christina Georgina Rossetti was born on 5th December 1830 in London, died 29th December 1894. Christina Rossetti was an English poet who wrote romantic and devotional poems. Apart from poetry for children, her children's poems are written in simple English and are often about the marvels of nature. Let's know about the poem Boats Sail on the Rivers. In which season do you usually see clouds and a rainbow in the sky? In rainy season. Clouds often make odd shapes. Different types of shapes we are seeing here, like a bird, rabbit and teddy bear. These are different types of shapes formed in the sky. Let us read the poem. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Yes, boats sail on the rivers. Where do the boats sail? On the rivers. Now ships, they are very bigger than the boats. They sail on the oceans or seas. Okay, so this type of sceneries we will observe in our homes also, because those are very beautiful sceneries. Here the poet is saying the clouds sail across the sky. The boats and ships, they sail in the water, but the clouds sail across the sky. They are very prettier, they are very beautiful than the boats and ships. The boats and ships are very beautiful while sailing on the water. So that's why we will keep this type of sceneries in our home, because they are very beautiful. So here the clouds are naturally formed. So they are nature of beauty. So nature is full of beautiful things. So that's why the poet saying these clouds are very beautiful than boats and ships that sail in the water. Now come to the second stanza. So that is, there are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Now see the different types of bridges here. See, this is our Sri Salem bridge. So why we are build the bridges on the rivers? So to connect two areas or two places or two hills. So these bridges are help us to move one place to another place. See how nice are they, how beautiful bridges we are having. So there are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. Yes, these are all very beautiful bridges we are having. But the bow that bridges heaven. Here bow means, you know very well, that is rainbow. Rainbow is formed in the sky. It bridges two areas like heaven and earth and sky. It is also look like a bridge. How the artificial bridges we build on the rivers, like here the rainbow is like a bridge. It bridge on the sky. It builds a road from earth to sky. It is very beautiful. It is naturally formed. This is the nature of a beauty. The nature is full of beautiful things. It is also like a bridge, isn't it? How the natural artificial bridges we are having on the river, like this is also a bridge, looking like a bridge. It builds, it form a road, it builds a road from earth to sky. Here one thing we have to understand, the rainbow looks like a bridge in the sky. The rainbow seems to connect the earth and the sky. It is not a real bridge. Real bridges or help us to move one place to another on the bridge. But here the rainbow looks like it seems, that's it Nana. It seems to connect the earth and the sky. It build a bridge between the earth and heaven. It just seems to connect the earth and the sky. Here we have to appreciate the beauty of a nature. In this poem, the value point is nature is full of beautiful things that make us happy. See how we will happy while seeing the rainbow, how we will happy by seeing the clouds. There are many things in the nature that make us happy. We have to appreciate the nature having full of wonderful things, beautiful things, as well as the poet writing of this type of beautiful poems for kids.